Hey there coding enthusiast, welcome back to IMS Coding. So today in this video we are going to set up our development environment. Now let's see what is development environment. So development environment is we install some tools in our machine to execute or run our code. For this course we need two things, a text editor and a web browser. So now let's first install our text editor Visual Studio Code. Although we can also write our code in simple notepad, but Visual Studio Code provides us lots of functionalities like auto suggestions, extensions and many more. So to install Visual Studio Code, open your browser and search Visual Studio Code download. Now go to the first website. Now here select your operating system. I am using Windows, so I'll choose Windows. Now you can see it's getting download. After the completion of download, open it, accept this and click on next, then again next and then click on install. Now click on finish. Here is the interface of Visual Studio Code. In the left side you will see some sections. Just go into extension section and search for live server. Make sure your internet is connected. Now install this extension. Okay, now our development environment is ready. We will learn more about Visual Studio Code throughout this course. So if you found this video helpful, like this video and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you will never miss any new update whenever I upload a new video. And this video is a part of our HTML and CSS beginners guide course, so please do check out our course. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding everyone.